We are in the middle of a national housing crisis, but just because we're in a housing crisis doesn't mean people should be forced to live in conditions that the owners themselves wouldn't live in.
But tonight, finally some relief for residents living in a condemned apartment complex in Ypsilanti. You know, for months, we've been telling you about safety and health issues plaguing Arbor One, everything from mold and sewage to asbestos.
And earlier this year, the city and county officials filed a lawsuit against the owners. Now, a judge is stepping in, ordering changes for tenants. Our Lauren Kostek shares what this means and where the legal battle stands right now.
Well, you can see work is being done here at this apartment complex in Ypsilanti, but one resident actually still lives here, and he tells us he is waiting for answers as this court order promises some resolution.
Right here was 105, and that's the one, they haven't moved nobody in there since I was in there with the sewage problems.
For 3 years, Chauncey Hyman has lived at Arbor One Apartments. One problem after another. The latest, his door.
I can see outside, right here be light.
And just last year, mold crawling up his neighbor's walls.
You see it on the wall over there.
We got a really big storm and the water just came right through.
Jules Wardessa is one of the tenants also living in the condemned buildings. What would you like to see as someone still living here?
I would like to see someone actually care.
And now a new court order looks to do just that. The order requires the landlord to make repairs, provide relocation assistance for tenants, and prohibits them from demanding rent.
It means that they're going to get more quick results that hold the property owners and the property management company accountable.
County Commissioner Annie Somerville said the temporary measure is a step in the right direction as a legal battle between the landlord and local leaders continues to play out in court.
The goal is ultimately that this becomes a safe place for people to live and that their rights are upheld.
In the meantime, tenants like Jules are getting out while they can. You had enough?
I mean, yeah, I've had enough. Maybe I'll move back if it gets better, but I don't know. I don't really have any trust in the current management.
And we also tried to get in touch with the new management company for this apartment complex. They are in charge of tackling that long list of repairs there, but so far we have not been able to reach them. Reporting live tonight, Lauren Kostek, Local 4.
All right, let us know when you hear back from them. A victory for those tenants tonight, Lauren.